Good morning! I am Teacher Bay.
And I am Teacher Faith. For this lesson, our topic is introducing oneself.
As a child, it is important that you are able to introduce yourself to others. To do this, you have to know yourself, your family, your school, and your community. You may also introduce yourself by sharing your personal experiences.
At the end of the lesson, you are expected to use words about oneself and your personal experiences.
Let's listen how Maria and Kian introduce themselves.
Hi everyone! My name is Maria. I am 7 years old. I live in Iloilo City.
Hello, I am Kian. I am from Alimujan, Iloilo. I am a grade 1 pupil of Ma'am De Castro.
So, introducing oneself is an important skill that you have to learn. Just like Maria and Kian, you have to know your personal information to be able to introduce yourself to others.
Introducing oneself is one of the common ways of telling others how well you know yourself. Some of the common terms used in introducing oneself include one's name, age, birth date, parents, member of the family, and home address.
That's right, Teacher Bay. You also have to learn how to share your personal experiences. These experiences may include what you have seen, heard, touched, and felt.
So as a learner, it is also important that you familiarize yourself about the basic information about your school. Some of the words related to your school include the name of your principal, your school, your teacher.
And as a member of your community, you also have to know your community and its important persons, such as our community helpers and the places in it like the market, fire station, police station, barangay, town, or city, hall and church, and park. So that ends our topic for today. Okay, children, did you learn something about yourself today?
If yes, let's check if you really know yourself. In your notebook, draw yourself and complete the given sentences. So first is, my name is, and then blank. I was born on blank. My parents are blank. My hobby is blank. And then last is, my favorite food is blank.
And that ends our lesson for today. See you next time.